Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download NBA Live Games and Score. Now if you're a big fan of basketball and you watch the NBA games but you can't watch it live, but you want to see the score but without searching on any search engine, and you want to see it on the app, and you want to know what's happening in an NBA, then you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video to download the NBA Live Score app. Now by downloading it, you'll be able to see the live score through your phone. To do so, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Simply open App Store on your iPhone. Now if you're using Android, make sure to open Play Store on your device. After that, you may also click on the option of apps, and here you will see various options. So you may go on the sports chart and you may see the NBA option right there, or you may also click on the option of search at the very bottom right, and there you may search NBA, and you may also click on the option of search. So by clicking on the option of search, you'll see various option of NBA, like you'll see the option of NBA 2K, mobile basketball and all, but you need to click on the option of NBA Live Games and Score. So this is the NBA Live Games and Score app, where you'll be able to see the score sheet like this and the game which is happening today, tomorrow, or things like that, and you may also watch it from here. So you need to click on the option of get highlighted on blue. So after that, it may ask you to verify yourself, so you need to click on the option of install. So after doing that, you'll be able to see that the download has started. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.